Meet Statster, the scary ghost.
I am scary and frightening. I'll show everyone.
Thus begins Statster's quest to prove his frightfulness. Pause!
What?
That wasn't fair proof of your scaring abilities.
Why not?
You keep choosing the same types of people to scare. If you only scare girls, it doesn't mean you can scare everyone. You can't determine the truth and how scary you are to everyone if you only select certain types of victims.
Okay, fine. Watch this. Did you see that? I freaked him out.
That also was not fair evidence of your scaring abilities. How are you measuring your results?
His eyes got all big. He was scared.
But did he cry, run away, or scream like the other ones? And you're scaring them in different ways. Sneaking up behind one, throwing something at the other. You have to be consistent with your scare tactics and use some sort of standard to determine how scared or whether or not your victims were scared at all.
Fine. I know I scared them if they scream or run away when I yell at them.
Once again, that wasn't a fair example of your scariness. Or your survey, as it were. They couldn't hear you very well with their music playing.
So
you chose him to scare, and he may have heard you, but chose not to respond. You can't analyze his response if he didn't respond.
fine. I'll just go scare this other kid then.
That won't change the fact that you missed out on the information you could have gotten if Music Man had responded.
My data are inaccurate again.
Afraid so.
Next time I'll definitely scare them. I'll bet you 100 pieces of candy corn.
That's not a good idea. It's too high a variance.
What's variant?
It means risk. If you don't scare them, you lose a lot of candy corn. Instead, you should bet 10 pieces to scare one person and do it 10 times. That way, if you get unlucky once or twice, you won't lose all your candy corn.
That's ridiculous.
Little early for Halloween, don't you think, kid?
Oh no! I'm not scary at all. And now I owe you 100 pieces of candy corn.
Don't worry, Statster. You just got unlucky. I bet you really are a lot scarier than that. That was probably just an extreme. It's all about regression to the mean, you know.
You mean there's luck involved in scaring?
Yep,
And if I scare that jock again, he may scream?
it's possible. And if you scare the frightened little girl again, she may not be as shocked. Regression fallacy, also called regression towards the mean, basically shows that your scariness is based both on your skill and how lucky you are each time you scare someone. You know the best way to analyze how scary you are? Assign a scary factor from 0 to 10, where 10 means the person was really scared, and 0 means they weren't scared at all. Then we can find the mean and median and figure out how mathematically scary you really are.
Mean? Yeah, I'm mean and scary too.
No, not mean like nasty and horrible. Mean and median. Mean measures average and median center. As you can see from these data, you have a mean spookiness of 4 and a median spookiness of 8.
4? I like median better.
There's a difference between median and mean because of the 0 from the guy with the earphones and the guy who thought you were a Halloween costume. They skewed your data to the left. You have to be careful with mean because outliers can really affect it.
So I am scary?
Absolutely terrifying.
I'm a real scary ghost. Don't mean to boast, but you know I'm known all down the coast. So scary I scare your French toast.